Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to change spell checker language in your Android. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to change spell checker language on your Android phone, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you have to open the settings, scroll down. Here you will find system. Tap on the system. After that, you will find here language and input, or in some mobiles you will find as keyboard. You have to just select that option. After tapping that, under tools you will find spell checker. Tap on that. In this you can see first option, language. You have to just tap on that, and here you can select the language as per your choice and close this window. That's it guys. So this way you can change spell checker language in your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.